Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga Upload. I'm Maris Aylward. Before you start the class, please check out Yoga Upload Plus. That's yogauploadplus.com. Yoga Upload Plus is my exclusive yoga membership, and I also have a yoga app. On Yoga Upload Plus, you will get access to exclusive members-only videos that I do not post here on YouTube. My longer classes, the 45 to 60-minute ones, are all there. Plus, you get access to exclusive yoga programs and daily yoga challenges. On the mobile app, you can also download videos for offline viewing. You can try all of this risk-free. I will put a link in the description box for you so you can check it out and see if it's right for you. Thanks. Today's video is a 15-minute daily standing yoga flow practice. This is a feel-good full body routine with flowing movement and standing poses. We start and end in mountain pose. The structure is like a ladder where with each repetition of the flow, we add one more pose. Do this just for 15 minutes every day to move and stretch your body and calm your mind. I promise you just this short, simple routine will make a big difference in your day. And now we're ready to start. Enjoy your practice. Start in mountain pose, Tadasana. Feet hip distance apart. Bring your palms together in front of the heart and close your eyes. Take 3 deep cleansing breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Keep the mouth closed. Continue the deep breathing. Feel that slight vibration in the throat. This is your Ujjayi breath. Set your intention for your practice today. Blink your eyes open. We'll start our flow. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up, arms up. Exhale, back to mountain pose. Inhale, arms up, upward salute. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step back to plank, drop the knees to the mat. Exhale, lower down, modified chaturanga. Untuck the toes, inhale, come up for cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pause here, a few breaths. Press the heels down towards the ground. Press the palms firmly to the ground. Keep the weight even in the upper body and the lower body. If it feels good, add movement. Bend one knee at a time, walking the feet in place. One more breath. Look forward at the hands, walk the feet forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, mountain pose, Tadasana. We'll add on. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step back to plank. Knees down or knees up. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, come up for cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We'll add on. Lift the right leg up. Step the right foot forward. Drop the back heel down for warrior 1. Rise up. Virabhadrasana 1. Look forward or look up. Lift the heart and breathe. One more breath here. If you're looking up, look forward again. Bring the hands down to the mat. Step back to your plank. Lower down Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We'll do everything on the other side. Lift the left leg up. Step your left foot forward. Drop the back heel down. Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana 1. Plant the feet firmly to the ground. Gaze forward or gaze up at a mild back bend. Keep the breath going. One more breath. And release the hands down, step back to your plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a few moments here. Take one more deep breath. Look forward at the hands. Walk, step, or hop the feet forward to forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up, upward salute. Exhale, mountain pose, Tadasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step or hop back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right leg up. Step the right foot forward. Warrior 1, rise up. Take a breath here. Open out to Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, slightly wider stance, arms out to the sides. Keep the breath going. Last few seconds here. And release the hands to the mat. Your choice. You can step back to down dog or flow through a vinyasa. Come to your plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Other side, left leg up. Step the left foot forward for Warrior 1. Take a breath. And open out to Warrior 2. Widen the stance. Bend the left knee. Arms parallel to the ground. Gaze softly at the left hand. And breathe. Last few seconds. And release the hands down. Step back to your plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pause a few moments here. Notice any changes in the body from when we started. One more breath. Look forward at the hands. Walk, step, or hop the feet forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, mountain pose. 2 more repetitions with added poses. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Step or hop back to plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right leg up. Step the right foot forward. Warrior 1, rise up. Take a breath. Open out to your Warrior 2. Take a breath. Face the long edge of your mat for wide-legged forward fold. Turn the toes in. Arms behind you. Interlace your fingers. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Fold forward from the hips as you lift the arms up overhead. Let the neck and the head relax. Feel the lengthening in the back of the thighs, the legs. Few breaths here. Keep moving the hands away from the hips. Notice how the shoulders feel. Take one more full breath. And release, come up. Come to warrior 2 for an inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down. Step back to either down dog or flow through your vinyasa, and we'll meet in down dog. From down dog, lift the left leg up, step the left foot forward, warrior 1. Take a breath. Open out to warrior 2. Take another breath. Wide-legged forward fold, face the long edge of your mat, turn the toes in. Arms behind you, interlace your fingers your non-habitual way, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Feel the stretch across the chest and the shoulders, and fold forward from the hips. Lift the arms up overhead any amount that you can. Let the head hang. Keep reaching the sitting bones up, moving them away from each other, feeling the stretch even more in the back of the thighs. Keep the breath going. Carefully, mindfully come up, release the interlaced fingers, notice how the shoulders feel. Find your warrior 2 again just for an inhale. And exhale, bring the hands down. Your choice, down dog or vinyasa. Assess your energy level and decide what's right for you in the moment. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Recall the intention that you set for your practice. One more breath. Look forward at the hands, walk, step, or hop forward. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, mountain pose. Last sequence. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step or hop back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We'll put all the poses together one last time. Right leg up. Step the right foot forward. Come up for warrior 1. Take a breath. Come out to warrior 2. Take a breath. Wide-legged forward fold. Arms behind you, interlace your fingers. Fold forward from the hips. Keep the breath going. Slowly rise up. Find your triangle, Trikonasana. Straighten the legs. Turn the right foot out. Reach to the right as far as you can go. Then release the right hand down to your right leg or ankle or the floor as you reach the left arm up. Strong legs, firm the quads. Keep both sides of the torso long and breathe. Use the strength of your legs and your core to come back up. Warrior 2 for an inhale. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Your choice, down dog or vinyasa on your own. We'll meet in downward facing dog. We'll do everything on the other side. Left leg up. Step your left foot forward. Come up for warrior 1. Take a breath. Come out to warrior 2. Take a breath. Wide-legged forward fold, arms behind you. Change the way you interlace your fingers and fold forward from the hips. Lift the arms up overhead. Take a deep breath here. Slowly, carefully come back up. Triangle pose. Turn your left foot out. Reach to the left. When you reach your edge, release the left hand down and reach the right arm up. Keep leaning that right arm back. Strong legs, strong core. Breathe. One more here. And release. Come up. Warrior 2 for an inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down for your last down dog or your last vinyasa for the day. Last down dog, take a few more deep breaths here. Feeling the full body stretch. Look forward at the hands, walk, step, or hop forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, mountain pose, Tadasana. Let's close with 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth, big sigh. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Remember your intention for your practice today. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Namaste.